Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3 here in Asheville. Oh, I'm so happy to be here. I've been out of town for a week. I had Aubrey Grace duty while my daughter went to a lovely wedding in Cancun with her man, and we had a blast. Me and Pop went down there with the little dog and hung out and did all kinds of her favorite things. It was all about her while we were there. And I haven't painted in about a week, and I go through a little bit of withdrawals. So I'm back in Asheville for a few days, and then we head south, and I'm excited about that as well. But I was fiddling just before I left with different paint consistencies, trying to do a swipe technique, and the base coat should have been lighter, and but this was fun, and it's been drying for about 9 days, and I got some new paints while I was away, and I'm real excited to use them. And we're just going to go ahead and paint over this. This is a 10 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, but something I'm really excited to share with you is this right here. If you've all been paying attention, you know that Golden Fluid Acrylics, Golden Paint Company, not just the fluid acrylics, is no longer going to be carrying the nickel azo gold, the Q word. And if you have been following me, you know that it's probably one of my favorite paints. So I was a little bit devastated by that, but I'm sure they'll come up with something that is just as good, if not better. But until then, can you tell the difference between those two? I certainly can't. So what you're looking at right here is the Golden Fluids, the Q word in the nickel azo gold. That's right here. And right next to it is a paint I just got in the mail from Fluid Art Co. And that is DecoArt Transparent Gold Oxide. They nailed it. This has been around a while. It's my first time using it, but I cannot tell the difference between these, and we'll certainly take a look at it once they're dry. But I'm real excited about that. These are two of our colors we're going to be using. Right there is the Q word, Golden Fluids, and the nickel azo gold. And right next to it is the DecoArt Transparent Gold Oxide. Fluid Art Co. Guys, best customer service in the whole world. I love them. Absolutely love them. Right here is Arteza, my Mac paint in the Bordeaux Red. Let's take a look at that consistency, guys. It's kind of thick. We're doing a thicker kind of swiping today. We're just kind of fiddling. This right here, I threw the bottle away because it was the last of it. Amsterdam Standard Series in the Lamp Black, I believe. 1 part paint and 3 parts of the magic sauce, the Aussie Floetrol. This paint, and only this paint, is mixed with the Aussie Floetrol. All of our other paints over here are mixed with my regular pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% golden, I've been away. 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a healthy squirt of golden GAC 800. And I did have to thicken up my 2 fluid paints a little bit, and I just use Liquitex gloss medium. It just took about a half a teaspoon in order to thicken them up. Right there is DecoArt Metallics in the 24 karat gold. So we're getting our earth tones on, guys. I'm going to be putting down a base coat. That's right there. I wanted a rich brown. And this is Golden Fluid Acrylics in the burnt umber light. But what I added to it, just to kind of richen it up a little bit, is Golden Fluids in the iridescent copper. So I put this in my cup, added my pouring medium, stirred it up, looked at it, and added a squirt or two until I got it to the color that I wanted, which is just a coppery brown. Kind of hard to see, I think, but I'm just going to be putting some paints down, and then I'm going to be swiping some of the Aussie Floetrol in the Lamp Black across areas, and we're just going to fiddle, guys, and I'm glad you're here fiddling with me. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen, stay and let's figure out to go, and how about family, new history? Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. I know there's nothing around us.